So let me keep going here, show you guys some more stuff here. Just some thoughts that I had and some a little bit of research I did looking into possibly what this is gonna the changes that are coming. Another big one is gonna be government restructure. So this is gonna happen for sure. What does this mean? So already what they're proposing is that Elon Musk is going to head a Department of Government uh, Efficiency, Doge, right? So they're leaning into this cryptocurrency stuff. So the Department of Government Efficiency is going to look at getting rid of eliminating government waste. So that will have an impact overall on government jobs and stuff because that's going to possibly lower the amount of government jobs that are out there. Another one was potential impacts. Yeah, workforce reduction for sure if they start like cutting down departments. They're talking about eliminating or restructuring the Department of Education and the Food and Drug Administration. They're really harping on getting rid of Department of Education and possibly restructuring or getting rid of the FDA. Another one they're going to restructure, and this directly affects me, the DHS, which I happen to be a part of, and they're very serious about it, either breaking it up or make moving parts around or something. We'll see. Another one's the EPA, reducing what they do and their impact and everything like that, which I also, I don't know how that's going to go, but we'll see. Let's see. Okay, so other things. What I want to say here is the cybersecurity and governance risk and compliance is created out of need, not so much out of uh, a administration, right? So the administration, they often get the kudos for signing off on this or that executive order or starting this or that agency or whatever, and it couldn't be done without the president or whoever, secretary of defense or whoever signing off on it. And then as a result, sometimes they get the credit for it. But a lot of times, if you look at the history of all these ideas and stuff that has happened, places like the Department of Defense or the Department of Homeland Security, they were created out of a need, not necessarily out of the brainchild of some genius who happened to be in the government. And I'll give you a few examples here of some of the things that we use today, such as the FISMA Act and I don't know, Space Force and all the other ones that have come to pass based off of a need. All right, starting with, we'll talk about Department of Homeland Security, we'll talk about FISMA, and then I'll give you some other examples. All right. And okay, I'm trying to go to the next slide here. Come on. The slides are not sliding. Okay, there we go.